A teenage boy, engrossed in prayers in the wee hours of the morning, on the day of Basant Panchami, an aura of light radiates the room, giving birth to the purpose of all-world Gayatri Parivar, presenting the world with kinder mankind and imparting a mission to be fulfilled by the 15-year-old Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya, a sage who performed 24 Purush Charanas reciting 2.4 million chants of the Gayatri Mantra to acquire intense spiritual power. A philosopher whose teachings are carried by the divine light.
अखंडी वो था जिसका नाम प्रकाश था, जिसका नाम प्रेरणा थी, और वो जन जन उसको ग्रहण कर सके, इसलिए अखंड दीपक था। और समाधि गुरुदेव का चरित्र क्या था, उनका व्यक्तित्व क्या था, उनके क्रियाकलाप क्या थे, आदमी उससे प्रेरणा लेके आगे की कार्रवाई करना शुरू करे।
ये अखंड ज्योति जो है, इसको 100 साल हो जाएंगे। ये 1926 में प्रज्वलित हुई और गुरुदेव ने उसको प्रिजर्व करके रखा।
A visionary who began a movement that reformed the individual, the family, and the social values of mankind, creating a mission and setting up its headquarters at Shanti Kunj, Haridwar in 1971.
बनाते समय में गुरुदेव ने ध्यान इसी बात का रखा कि उसमें से पैसे को हटा दिया। अब पैसा यदि हो तो फिर इंसान उसको बिजनेस बना लेता है, पर जो भाव रखा कि यदि हम उसको आश्रम के रूप में, आरण्यक के रूप में प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं, और कोई ये देखना चाहता है कि यदि कहीं पर जीती जागती ज्ञान की धारा आज भी प्रवाहित है, तो वो देखने के लिए उसको लोगों के चेहरों पर देखना पड़ेगा।
A revolutionary who built a harmony between science and spirituality. He established the Brahmavarchas Shodh Sansthan, the research center of Shanti Kunj, Haridwar in 1979, studying science and spirituality.
After I came here, he said, I want you to do some stressful work on scientific spirituality. I asked him how I will do it. Well, you are a man of science and I am teaching you spirituality. So you have to unite both the things, science and spirituality. Without changing the educational system, we cannot transform the country. Education makes the character.
A game changer who developed an institution for imparting education based on scientific spirituality.
तो जो भी युवा पीढ़ी है, युवा पीढ़ी को हम जोड़ते हैं। मैं ऑल ओवर कंट्री, ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड गया हूँ और ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड मैंने युवाओं को आई हैव ट्राइड टू जॉइन देम विद द स्पिरिचुअल फोर्स।
In 2002, Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya was formed, designing a curriculum that blends modern research and ancestral practices.
Your education is integrated with the divine life. I am indeed delighted to participate in the second convocation of Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya. I am very happy that this institution has been created with the motto of developing the divine culture, which is of utmost importance to us while we are on the path of transforming India to be a prosperous, happy and peaceful society. I congratulate all the students of Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya on their accomplishment of acquiring knowledge and resulting into degrees and certificates.